Hello everyone, so in this video I will let you know about the file upload vulnerability with the high security. If any website have the high security or advanced security, so how we can hack that website, so I will let you know with the practical. So first I will showcase you here. I am using two machine. First is the Kali machine, this is the attacker machine, and second is the Metasploitable machine, this is the target machine. So you can see this is the Kali and this is the Metasploit. Why I run this second machine, Metasploit machine? Because I have to access the website. I make this configure on local edge server, right? So if you open your Firefox and type the Metasploit machine IP, if you type here Metasploit machine IP, so it will give you the environment of testing, right? So if you, this is the IP. If you type this IP, so you will get these five websites for the testing purpose. So you can also configure that Metasploit machine on your local. So I have already create a dedicated video on this, how we can install Metasploitable and how we can configure that, right? So if you please visit that my video to look how we can how I configure this Metasploit machine on this server, right? So for example, this is the website and this is the our target dvwa. So how we can hack that website if I upload any backdoor on this website? So this is the upload folder. So I will do, there are two things here. I will upload a file from browser and upload, then I will hack that website. So what was the file which I have upload? So I will create a backdoor, right? I will create a backdoor, then I will upload that backdoor into the target website. After that I will try to connect that backdoor, and if we will connect, then that means the site is hackable. So let's create first the backdoor, right? So there is a tool Weevely. I have already mentioned this Weevely in my past video multiple times. So if you not see that video, so please first go to on that video and look at that, then come to on this video. So for example, Weevely and generate, and your password, you can type here any password for the file which we done generate, and the path where you want to generate. Root, I want this in on my desktop, and the file name is shell.php. So this will be the php file, we need php file to upload, right? Then we can hack that website. If I enter here, so you can see I am able to generate that backdoor. If I use ls command here, so you can see there is a file. If I am able to see, oh sorry, I am not in desktop, so cd desktop and ls, so you can see there is a cell.php file generated. So you can also see on my desktop here, right? Now this is the backdoor and I will upload that backdoor onto the site. So how we can upload that, right? So if I upload from here shell.php and try to upload, so this will not upload because this is only used for the, or they make this uh, used for the image file upload purpose, right? But I am uploading php file, that is the backdoor, so that was not uploading. So now how we can upload that? So for uploading purpose we can use a tool, that is burp suite. In my past video I have already mentioned many times, and I have already a dedicated lecture on burp suite, how we can configure that or how we can use that burp suite tool. So this is the burp suite. If you not aware about the burp suite, so you can also visit my past lecture. I have already covered that in my past lecture, right? So now what I will do, I will upload from here, and when I click on upload, then request will be captured by this burp suite tool, right? So that request we will modify, right? So if I here the proxy tab, in proxy there is a tab intercept. So here I will turn on this because of I will capture the request. So I am making this turn on and try to now upload this cell.php upload. So here you can see I'm able to capture that request. Now here if I change the file name here, like uh, but if you turn off, so request automatically will go to the server and response back, and we what we back, your image was not uploaded, right? So now we will make this file as a jpg. If I make this jpg, rename cell.php to jpg, right? Now I will try to upload that. Intercept is on here, and now again I will try to upload. uh, I think file not have change. I will change again. Okay, rename here. Okay, first need to scroll down this and rename jpg and rename. So now file name is cell.jpg, but we need the php file, right? With the jpg we cannot hack, we have to upload the php file. So now intercept is on my burp suite, and I will go to the browser and try to upload this jpg and upload. If I there you can see this is the our file, we cannot do anything because this is the encoded, right? But we can do one thing, we can change the cell.jpg to cell.php and try to forward this or intercept off. If you can look here, I'm not also able to upload that website. But in my past lecture, you will see if the site have the low security or medium security, on that time we will able to upload the that file, right? But in this time there is a advanced security, so we are not able to upload this file from this way. So what we will have, we will do, we again, I will showcase you now. I upload cell.jpg file, and I will first intercept is on to capture the request and click on upload button. If I click on upload button, so you can see again I am capturing the request. Now I will change this, what, shell dot php dot jpg. Now the website will check there is a jpg file, so we have already cleared that there is a .jpg, so it will think this is the jpg file, but actual this is the php file, right? So I will forward and intercept is off. So you will look here, my file is cell.php.jpg is uploaded successfully onto the server. Now that means I have clear the one step, I am able to upload the files. Now you will copy that path and enter to the address bar, right? Now you can copy this initial site, this one, because this path will be under this, right? If you enter here, so you will see I have able to get this file, but the file will not show anything on UI because this is the backdoor or cell.php file, right? So we have confirmed that our target is copy, or like our target is uploaded onto the site. Now we will connect with our target, and how we will connect. So first you have to copy that, right? Copy this target file. Now you go to the your terminal, and how you can connect. So you have to like now connect with that. How? Type the Weevely, because this is the Weevely backdoor, and your path and your file password which you have create on the create time, right? So password was 123456. If I enter, then I am able to connect with my backdoor. So I have enter, and you can see here I am able to connect my backdoor. That means I am able to hack that website or that server, right? If I do anything, so it will return me result with that website, right? If I use, for example, I want to see the files, so I will type ls here. So you can see there are multiple files which I am able to see here. These are installed onto the server or website. So that means I am able to hack that site. If I enter cd and again ls, so you can see I'm also able to, there are two folders. So you, that means I have completely hacked that website or that servers. So like that you can also able to hack that site. So you can use that with your target, right? Any target, whatever. But the video is educational purpose, so I will suggest you will install like same I have installed this Metasploit machine, and there is a multiple like 5 website which on you can test that all testing of videos, right? So how you can install that Metasploit I have already cleared. You can visit my in my past lecture. On that I have already let you know how we can install Metasploit server, right? So you can also visit my tutorial. There are multiple video which will learn you how we can learn hacking, right? And in future please subscribe my channel. I will upload multiple video for the hacking. So this is the hacking tutorial you can learn as a educational purpose. So that's all in this video, and I will let you know in my next video other hacking tips or tricks, right? So this is all. Thank you.